Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this slow motion meditation. This session is going to blow your mind and drop you into a magical zone where you can deeply feel the moment, be grounded in your energy, and be amazed at the fact you're alive. Without further ado, let's get into the session. Find a comfortable, upright, relaxed position in a chair and close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through the nose. Fill up the entire body with the breath. And let it wash out through the mouth as you exhale effortlessly. Take another breath 10% slower, breathing in a little slower now. And exhaling a little slower out through the mouth. Let's take one more for now, but make it really slow at your own pace. Feel that slow breath in. Tune into it as it washes out slowly. And feel your muscles relaxing slightly now as that breath creates more spaciousness in the body. And now first, perhaps counterintuitively, notice any part of you that feels inclined to rush, that wants to do things quickly. Acknowledge that part of yourself and any feelings or energy that might be creating pressure within you to do things in your life at a quicker pace. And just allow those feelings to come up and wash through your body like a wave. Don't try to change it. Just treat it like a built-up pressure that you're allowing to flow through like a geyser so that energy can wash out of you. Notice where those feelings are in the body and don't oppose them. Just invite them to geyser up and begin to evaporate at their own pace now for a moment. Let go of thoughts and stay tuned into the energy of anxiety or rushing or pressure or stress. Allow it to effortlessly leave the body as it washes through like a wave now. And imagine those energies being dissolved into a greater universal energy that can handle them for you and dissolve them on your behalf now. Let all those old energies effortlessly escape your consciousness as you simply relax and feel it washing out of you. Imagine and feel yourself now shifting gears into a mode of slowness, giving yourself permission to enter the now and take as much space and time for yourself as you want, at least just for now. Feel that decompression and softness begin to bloom as you shift consciously, intentionally into this slower mode. Start to take a slow breath in as effortlessly as you can. Breathe slowly in. And breathe even slower out. Start to tune into the flow of the breath like a wave, paying attention to the in-breath as it moves in slowly, keeping your attention on the exhale as it moves out slowly like a wave. Keep slowing down the breath a little bit more at a time and keep going deeper into the inflow with your attention. Keep going deeper into the outflow as it slows down with your attention. Feel your internal rhythm beginning to harmonize with the breath, beginning to slow like an engine of a train that's arriving at the station into a stationary, slower, almost still position, staying harmonized with that effortlessly slow cadence of breath. Start to become aware now of the sounds in the room around you. Begin to hear the details of the sounds. Start to tune so deeply into the details of the sounds that it's as if you can hear them in slow motion with a rich attention to detail. Stay alert in your mind and notice the patterns of light that play on the backs of your eyelids. Feeling your eyelids relax gently and seeing those subtle patterns of light and the way they move or stay the same in a detailed, slow motion awareness. Notice your hands and fingers now in this moment with your mental spotlight. Feel the subtle energy of blood pumping in the hands and fingers. Feel the effervescent tingle of life energy, the subtle vibrating sensation you can feel as you tune into the hands and fingers in detail. And begin in a super slow and subtle, almost imperceptible way to move your fingers ever so slightly. Just feel what it feels like to barely move the musculature of your fingers, as if you're gently, slowly grazing the tops of the keys of a piano in slow motion. And stay tuned in to the super slow and subtle movements of your fingers with your detailed attention. and slowly relax your fingers back into a stationary, relaxed position. Notice your breath dropping down deeper into the body and feel that sense of openness and slowness with the breath, staying with that rhythm of the breath as you go deeper into the moment. Just notice what it feels like to be tuned in to this slower rhythm internally. Familiarize yourself with the feeling of your physiology and your mind's consciousness in this slower pace. And now I invite you to visualize yourself in this rhythm in your daily life, just as an experiment that you can play around with at times. Start to see and feel yourself now at the eye of the storm, calm and slow, even as others go to and fro in a hurried pace around you. See yourself marching to the beat of your own drum and staying tuned in and connected to this slowness, even as the world bustles around you. Sense and feel this aura that you're creating, like a gravitational pull of slowness and calmness that others and the world can tune into and benefit from, as it senses this grounded calmness emanating from you effortlessly. See and feel yourself enjoying doing things slower. See and feel yourself immersed in the thickness of the moment, the richness of the details, and the subtle flows of energy that wash through your body as you stay connected to this internal slowness. Start to become in touch with the awareness that from this place, thoughts are not as important. They're simply noticed as they arise and allowed to fade into the background as you lead with a sense of presence and awareness that provides more than enough of everything you need moment to moment, grounded in that slow, powerful presence. And still staying in the rhythm of the meditation, but opening your eyes when you feel ready and gently gazing down at your hands and gently slowly lifting them up towards you as you notice that you are this point of consciousness in this body at this point in time. Letting go of thoughts, but simply being aware that you are aware of yourself in this body, alive in this moment, and marveling with a sense of gratitude and awe at this fact for a moment as you stay connected to this awareness of your hands. And now I invite you to slowly lower your hands and simply begin to move in a very slow, relaxed way to intentionally carry this slow motion presence back into your day. And as a challenge, I invite you to aim to maintain this slow, connected rhythm by simply, in a slow and relaxed way, focusing on doing one thing at a time, placing your full attention and awareness on the moment in front of you, and really enjoying and soaking up all the rich textures and subtle energies that flow as you maintain this slow connectedness. Of course, when you need to move quickly, but see if you can keep meditatively returning over and over to this slower baseline and place of presence, so long as it feels right and grounded and connected to you. Feel free to let me know your experience with this meditation, and consider sharing it with anyone you think might benefit from slowing down. I invite you to repeat this session as often as you feel it would benefit you to attune your nervous system and mind to a slower rhythm, as conditioning yourself in this way with regular practice can be hugely beneficial. Thanks so much for taking this time for yourself today, and have an amazing day.